Keeping your social media content organized is crucial to plan out campaigns efficiently. Introducing tags, allowing users to categorize and plan campaigns better. You can add tags to your posts across your entire workflow on SocialPilot. Let's jump in and see how tags work. First, let's head over to the SocialPilot dashboard. On the left side menu, go to Setup and select Tags. This is where you'll create, edit, and organize all your tags. Creating a tag is super easy. Just give your tag a clear and descriptive name. Next, pick a color for your tag to visually identify your content easily in multiple places. Finally, set the status for each tag active for current use or archive for past categories you might revisit later. Now, let's add tags to a new post. When you're creating a new post, look for the Add Tags option below the post editor. Here, you can easily add tags from your existing list, create new ones on the fly, or even change the status of existing tags. You can categorize each post with up to 10 tags, making it easy to track different themes or promotions. Wait, this isn't all. You or anyone on your team can easily add and manage tags when you are reviewing your publishing queue or finalizing your drafts to be published. Not only that, you can also view tags on posts in the library. So clients with access to the library can view tags and easily filter out posts with a specific label. Also, you can add tags when you are repurposing content from the content library for a specific campaign. Let's add a tag to a post from the library. Simply click on the post and open it in edit mode. Here, you can select or add tags by checking the associated checkboxes. After selecting your tags, click Save. These tags help search and retrieve your posts quickly. Voila! Now you know how to use tags on SocialPilot. Organize and plan your social media campaigns better using tags. Feel free to reach out to the support team in case of more information or queries. Happy tagging on SocialPilot!